Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to borrow credit from Digicel. To borrow credit from Digicel, you can use a service called Quick Credit, which allows you to borrow a small amount of credit when you're running low. Here's how you do it. You can decide to dial the USSD code. In your DSL code, dial dial #120#. On your Digicel phone, dial #120# or *120#, depending on your country, to check if you are eligible for the quick credit service. You'll receive a message confirming if you are eligible to borrow credit. If you qualify, you can proceed to borrow a specific amount, usually in small denominations like $5, $10, or $20. After confirming your eligibility, you can borrow the credit. The amount you borrow will be deducted from your account balance, and you need to repay it with a small fee, especially a small fee usually deducted from your next recharge. The borrowed credit, along with any associated fees, will be automatically deducted from your balance when you top up or recharge. It's as simple as that.